Yo, there are 8 million stories in the naked city. Choose one. Word. It's time for a change, y'all. The whole lot of babies dying from AIDS. Children in the hospital because they make us out of things on the wrong things on the streets. Got to change, y'all. Got to get the attention. I got this story for you, so here it goes. Come on, man. Life's a scheme. It's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme. It's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme. It's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme. It's all about the cream. Get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Tell them about it. I grew up on the streets where shit was something terrible. Drug dealers, gunslingers, and fucking rebels. They was out to get knees to feed seeds, taking mad G's, killing their own breeds. Heartless to this game, they get a gold chain, never thinking who they killed skin was the same. And it's too late to realize what you done. Here lies the brother, dead victim's son. Things break out and kids start falling, but when your kid is shot, mystery guards should start calling. You lost your foes and you lost your soul, but you hide up in your house cause you're thinking it's to go. But it's too late, they send you down that block. Now they aiming at that head with 2 9s that are Glocks. So take cover, take heed, my friend, because now is the time your life will now win. Cause life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Get on with life and fulfill your dreams. As I stand on the corners with my friends drinking gin, waiting for another nigga to commit a sin. There he goes, just walking down the block, thinking that he's hot cause his Glock rock knocks. Spraying up shit cause he thinks he's the man. Robbing and stealing from the niggas in his clan, he's trife. When he eat night, he stops life. He put 7 of my friends in the past life. Yo, I'm tired of the shit that he's done. Let me call the guards and get you none, blah 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 blah. Shots sprayed all over the place. I seen the brother get shot 12 times in his face. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Gotta get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the cream. Get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Yo, next on the menu, from here we continue. A 15-year-old girl who wants to feed her fucking kin too. She had big tits, long dress with slits, and every nigga on the block just wanted to dip. But what they caught was bad ways and bad decisions. That was one thing that the bitch forgot to mention. Laying in the hall, sex on the wall. She's having that fun, you're catching claps on your balls. It doesn't matter to this type of trick, cause she knew she burnt niggas, had a gun with 2 clips. She laid in play cause the rent wasn't paid, until finally one day the bitch caught the germ AIDS. Now she feels that she shouldn't have done it. This is to my fucking niggas, please wear your fucking garments. Life's a scheme, it's all about the dream. Get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the dream. Get on with life and fulfill your dreams. Life's a scheme, it's all about the dream. Get on with life and fulfill your dreams. We all the maddest in the world. Another motherfucking smash. I love you, mom. Coming straight from the 36th state. I love you, dad. Yeah. I'm a motherfucking cousin. Put the track together, boy. Let y'all know how it's out there. You better change your lifestyles, boy. I'm telling you, either you gon' end up in somebody's hospital, or you gon' be buried, boy. 6 feet under, or maybe more. 360 here, trying to put pyramids at it. Into your range, you dumb, deaf, blind, stupid motherfucker. White Lotus, we're out of here. Out of here. Tick, 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 tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick.